Google is set to launch its next flagship smartphone series, the Pixel 9, in about a month. The company has already given us a sneak peek of the Pixel 9 Pro in a short video, revealing its design. The new model will be one of 4 devices to be unveiled at the August event, and there's a lot of anticipation about whether they will surpass the current lineup of Pixel phones. For a smartphone to truly shine, both hardware and software need to work seamlessly together to create a well-rounded device. Thanks to the latest leak, we might not need to wait until August to discover the key features of the Pixel 9 series that Google is particularly proud of. Popular leaker Steve Hemmerstoffer has shared extensive marketing material for the Pixel 9 series, showcasing the features likely to be highlighted on stage on August 13th. One of the leaked images suggests that the catchphrase for the Pixel 9 series will be done, and then some, with a repeating theme in the slides advertising features like Circle to Search, which allows users to easily execute a quick Google search for information by circling content on their screens. Additionally, the Pixel 9 series will support Gemini assistance on anything the camera is pointed at, akin to the Project Astro demo showcased at Google's developer conference earlier this year. The image also suggests that the Pixel 9 series will introduce a pixel screenshot feature, presumably exclusive to Google devices, which will help users remember important information from their screenshots. The marketing material also highlights additional features like crisis alerts and enhanced security measures, underscoring Google's commitment to user safety and data protection. AI plays a significant role in the Pixel 9 series, with the leaked materials confirming access to Gemini Advanced, a service that typically costs $227. In terms of specifications, all 4 models in the Pixel 9 series will be powered by the Tensor G4 processor, a state-of-the-art processor designed to deliver optimal performance and efficiency. The RAM configurations vary across models, with the regular Pixel 9 offering up to 12 GB of RAM, while the Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold boast an impressive 16 GB of RAM. The camera capabilities of the Pixel 9 series are another major highlight, with both Pro models featuring a 42MP selfie camera, while the vanilla Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will retain a 10MP unit at the back. The main camera setup for both Pro models includes a 50MP primary sensor, a 48MP ultrawide lens, and a 48MP telephoto lens. The display specifications of the Pixel 9 series are equally impressive, with the Pro and XL models featuring 6.3-in and 6.8-in Super actual displays, respectively, while the vanilla Pixel 9 will come with a 6.3-in screen. The actual display of the regular Pixel 9 is expected to offer up to 1,800,000 nits of peak brightness, while the Pro models are expected to reach up to 2,000 nits. Google has promised 7 years of security updates and pixel drops for the Pixel 9 series, ensuring that users will continue to receive the latest features and security enhancements, making the Pixel 9 series a reliable investment. The Pixel 9 Pro will come in 4 color options, namely obsidian, porcelain, rose, and hazel, while the regular Pixel 9 will be available in porcelain, obsidian, rose, and green. All 4 models are set to be officially announced on August 13th, marking a significant milestone for Google. The company is also tipped to introduce its next-generation smartwatch and a pair of new earbuds. The Pixel 9 series represents a major step forward for Google in the smartphone arena, with its innovative features, advanced AI integration, and robust hardware specifications promising to deliver a superior user experience.